Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shreya. If you like this necklace that I'm wearing right now, then you would like to see this video till the end because this is exactly what we are going to make in this video. And not only this, we are going to make this, this, this and this in this video. I think that these kind of jewelry pieces are very trendy these days. Wear a plain outfit and bas uske upar if you wear these kind of neck pieces, it adds a really nice pop and interest to your outfit. So I kind of made use of jewelry pieces which I had in my collection and I kind of got bored of them. Just thought that I'll give them a different look altogether. So if you're interested, please watch it and click the subscribe button if you haven't already, and if you'd like to, let's get started.
So for the first piece, I took a piece of cardboard and cut it in the required size and format. For this one, I took rectangular piece and then I took a yellow plain cloth. ये एक blouse piece था actually. I just covered the cardboard with the cloth. By the way, I used fabric glue throughout this video. So this cardboard piece will act as a base for the neck piece. Now let's make a dory to hang this around the neck. I took a yarn and I doubled it. I then tied a knot on the one side and then I just inserted the yarn on the doorknob. After this, the process is quite self-explanatory. This is how we make dories. This is actually one dory, and for one neck piece we need to make two dories.
I'm making a DIY over here and this little guy wants to play. Back to work.
So now that we have two dories, I took this little earring. This is quite an old one. I removed the beads from this earring and inserted 3 of them in each of the dories like this. Now it was time to assemble. I pasted the dories on the back side of the rectangle. And then I took this earring, which I really used to like, but now it's broken. It had these shells attached on the ends, but yeah, it broke now, so I thought I'll use it a little differently. I just stitched the shells on both the ends and pasted the earrings in the center. I also had this bangle with me which could make this piece a little heavy, but for now I want to keep it light. Now of course you can play around with the design. For example, I had these earrings which I'm sure most of you will have something like this with you. These Kotapati earrings were quite a thing some time back. This kind of setup works great, or maybe this broken earring that I had looks good here too. Or you can do something unconventional and put this sort of pendant in the center or a stone. It is all up to you and your creativity on what looks good to you. Next one is again on the same lines. I cut the piece of triangle on the cardboard and used this bandage ka kapda and glued it around.
Okay, so we have this little guy that we just made, and now I'm going to use this. This is actually a sari border. ये मेरी mom के पास एक बनारसी साड़ी थी. She was actually going to discard that sari, so I just saved the border because it was really pretty. Now I'm going to use this as a border for this. I'm going to use fabric glue to stick this. Let us do that. So I have this earring which I used to wear long time back. So I was thinking to use it here. I think it looks really nice. After we stick this, I am going to use this lace. बहुत ही पुरानी lace है ये. It looks like this. So I'm going to use this as a dory to tie it around my neck.
Next up is this neck piece. I use this broken earring. By the way, this earring is also pretty easy to make. It's just a thin rope stuck in the form of circle and this shells attached on the top. But yeah, I had this and I just made this yellow tassel with a thin thread and stitched it on the edge of the earring. Then I used this chain I had and stuck it on the back side. This is how simple it was. Now how to make a tassel is pretty easy. I will give you the process over here. Next one is super easy to make. I used this oxidized bangle I had and this kotapati earring, and then I used this chain. Now it is very easy to secure this kind of chain around your neck. You can use the pendant. For me in this case it's the owl. I can use this as a hook to secure it around the neck like this. So all that is required is to assemble it all and your neck piece will be ready. Now let's make this gorgeous piece. I took a piece of cardboard, cut it in a circle. I then stuck the yellow cloth on the circle properly from all the sides.
I have this bangle and I also have this earring. इसका जो दूसरा वाला है वो थोड़ा सा टूटा हुआ सा हो गया था. I'm anyway not wearing it, so I was thinking that I will just kind of hang this earring like this. So I've hung it like this, and if I put a little glue over here it will be attached properly. So maybe I can just wear it like this. I think it looks a nice piece. इसका color अगर थोड़ा different होता तो और अच्छा लगता है. I think yellow would have looked prettier. I will use this circle and stick the bangle like this. Yellow is my color. I mean, I really like yellow. I think it looks so nice and it adds so much grace to the outfit. And then finally just attach the dory. Again, for the dory I'm going to use this lace.
Make it easier to call you.
I would just say that if you want to make something like this for yourself, then just look into your collection. What are some of the pieces that you have used tons of times and now you don't want to repeat them anymore? I'm sure all of you have pieces like this at your home. I have tons of pieces that I have not worn since Stone Age, so I'm definitely not stopping here. I'm going to make more pieces and refresh my collection. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below which neck piece is your personal favorite. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Slip on solid ground so I can drown the thought of what I don't